Today I will be teaching you how to refurbish a shovel. What we are going to need is a drill with a wire brush on the end, some boiled linseed oil, sandpaper, and a rag. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is we want to grab our drill with our wire brush in it and go to town on the end of the shovel. Going up here, in here, flipping it over, the other side, and then back up here. Oh yeah, before.
5 minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now we're going to switch this. We're going to switch this wire brush for this one. It's going to work a lot better.
Yeah, a lot better, right?
Now we are going to sand the handle.
Oh.
I don't have a clip of me oiling the handle, but what you would do, you would take the linseed oil, put it on the rag I told you to get, put some on the rag, and then you take the handle once it's sanded, rub it on like this, go back and forth, do whatever you got to do to the handle until it's all oiled. Now that we oiled the handle and sanded it, we're gonna tie tape to the end of here so then we can paint this. Now we are gonna paint the shovel. There you have it, folks. How to refurbish an old rusty garden tool.
Like and subscribe!